Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, April 21st, and this is my recap of the top videos from Friday. And on Friday, the pound US dollar came in number 3, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on gold, make sure you check out the video from Friday morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So gold did continue to push up. I personally think gold is making like an ending diagonal type deal, like a wave 5, ending diagonal wave 5, which most likely will continue to make an overlapping pattern, probably something like this, all the way up to at least at the 138.3 Fibonacci extension on the higher time frames. Way below the 2440 area is where I expect to see this go. So what would I be doing? I would definitely continue to look for longs at the end of every pullback, especially if it's a 3-wave ABC pullback like the A123, 123 patterns that we have been getting. So I'm going to continue to look for longs at the ABC pullbacks for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions and gives you access to my swing trade setups by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.